Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how's your day? I hope today you're feeling well so you can watch this video happy feeling. Enjoy! First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Maulidiya Fitriyaturrohman. I'm from State Al-Khairiyah. My major is Islamic Religious Education. In this video, I will tell you about the recommended recreation area. It is the nice ocean view Anyar. In this outline, I will explain first description, second benefit, and the third comparison. Description of name is the nice ocean view Anyar. It's a new family destination located in Anyar, Banten, Indonesia. There is a future various facilities, such as a children's playground, mini zoo, and recreational area designed to provide a pleasant vacation experience for families. This place has a special attraction with the beautiful ocean view and relaxing beach atmosphere. Regarding the owner, there is no clear or official information regarding who owns the nice ocean view Anyar. This place operates as one of the leading tourist destinations in Anyar, with quiet, complete facilities for a family vacation. This place inaugurated in April 2024. This location is located on Jalan Raya Karangbolong Anyar, Karangsuraga, Subdistrict Cinangka, Serang, Regency, Banten 42166. First, beautiful beach view. Located in beachfront of Anyar, visitor can enjoy spectacular ocean view and a tranquil atmosphere, including beautiful sunset. Second, playground facility. The venue is designed for families, especially those with young children, with a safe and exciting playground. Children can play while enjoying the fresh air of the beach. Third, mini zoo. Visitors, especially children, can interact with various animals at the mini zoo, which add an educational and recreational element to the visit. Four, restaurant and food court. The nice Ocean View Anyar has a restaurant and food court that offers a variety of food options, making it easy for visitors to enjoy a meal after beach activity. The nice Ocean View Anyar and Anyar Wonderland are two beach destinations in Anyar, but each has different characteristics and attractions. Here's a comparison based on some key aspects. Facility and activity. The nice Ocean View Anyar stand out with a play. Sorry. The nice Ocean View Anyar stand out with its playground for children, mini zoo, and beachfront restaurant. This facility focuses more on family tourism with a quieter atmosphere and a variety of activities that children and adults can enjoy. Anya Wonderland focus more on water entertainment, such as water slides, a large swimming pool, and other rides. It is more suitable for visitors who want physical activity and water play in dynamic dynamic atmosphere, location, and accessibility. The nice SMV Anyar is located on Jalan Raya Karangbolong, Anyar, and offer easy access to the beach as well as a more private environment. Anyar Wonderland is also located near Anyar Beach, but is more focused as a leisure center with large tourist facilities and open to the wider public. Price and entry. The nice Asian View Anyar has a more affordable entrance fee, starting at 20,000 Indonesian rupiah, making it an economical choice for a family vacation. Anyar Wonderland generally has a higher entrance fee, mainly due to the variety of facilities and water rides available. So, this is an explanation of the description, benefit, and comparison between the nice Ocean View Anyar and Anyar Wonderland. Hopefully, this information is useful and can add to your insight. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.